The JC Combined Index lost over 2,000 points last week. 124 stocks traded across the main and junior markets for the week, ending Friday, May 10, 2024. 41 made gains, 64 lost value, and 19 stayed the same. 194 million shares changed hands on the Jamaican dollar market, valued at $717 million. Forex was last week's most traded stock. It took up 60% of market volume with 117 million shares trading. The stock lost 1 cent to open the new week at $2.15. Wigton traded at the second highest. The stock lost 3 cents to open Monday at $1.07. And Caribbean Insurance Brokers rounded out last week's most traded with 9 million shares changing hands. The stock gained $1.45 to open Monday at $3.65. Now let's see who had the biggest gains for the week. Caribbean Insurance Brokers was also the market's biggest gain, up almost 66%. Berger Paints was the week's second biggest gain, up nearly 52%. And Blue Power was up 17% to close the week at $3.71. On the losing side now, the Lab was the week's biggest loser. The stock lost 17% to open Monday at $1.27. First Rock Real Estate Investments had the second biggest dip. The stock lost 16% to open the new week at $8.40. And Margaritaville Turks USD lost 15% to close the week at 9 cents US. Over on the Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, the composite index was mostly flat last week. Massey was the most traded stock. It lost 5 cents to open Monday at $4.21 TT. Prestige Holdings was the biggest gain of the week. The stock was up nearly 14% to start the week at $12.91 TT. And on the losing side, National Flour Mills fell almost 5% to open Monday at $2 TT. Over in the US, the Dow Jones and S&P 500 are up almost 2% last week, while the Nasdaq gained 1%. At the pumps, the cost of 87 gas was down $4.50 last week, while 90 fell by $3.06. Diesel prices fell $4.50. In foreign exchange, it took an average $157.23 Jamaican to purchase $1 last Friday. That's 39 cents less than the week before. Meanwhile, it took an average $155.22 Jamaican to purchase $1 Canadian. 1 British pound cost on average $196.61 Jamaican. And finally, you could buy €1 for $172.14 Jamaican on average. Finally, on the crypto markets, Bitcoin prices were up 2% over the past 5 days, trading at $62,565 US on Monday. Ethereum prices were mostly stable, trading at $2,956 US on Monday.